Hey everyone, today is actually it's already Monday, 1:21 a.m. Yeah, so Monday, 1:21 a.m., July 6th. So this is the first trading day after, this is gonna be the first trading day after the Independence Day weekend. And as you can see that here, the ES, the S&P 500 E-mini right now is in session right now because it starts trading at 6 p.m. on Sunday. So this is a 23.6, more like a 23.6 product. So it trades 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. So as you can see that here, the market in the last week, since a couple of weeks, since 2 weeks ago, I've been saying that we have a potential supply zone around this level, right? And now you can see that the market actually took off and it has extended beyond the supply zone. And this is the pre-market trading, right? Right now is just a future that's being traded. So the future price has been pumped quite a bit since the opening of the Sunday afternoon. That's a couple hours ago. And you can see that says 6 o'clock, the market just being pumped almost vertically to this particular point that it has broken through this particular range that I highlighted in the box. So this is a little bit unexpected, to be honest, that it has broken out of this range. And the thing is, I still have doubt in this market that it's going to be able to push a lot higher and further this time is around, this particular rally. The reason is, whenever the market is pushing towards a new high, I'm talking about an interim high or breaking a very key level, sometimes it fails. Sometimes it fails as soon as the market opens. And the very reason that the market makers is capable, they're confident of pushing the market to this higher level is because it's possible they want to dump. They want to dispose their positions at the market open when the volumes comes back in, right? When the market opens tomorrow morning at 9:30, that's where a lot of volumes comes in. A lot of buying, a lot of people like retail traders, a lot of traders, non-professional traders. Usually, they're the losers in the market. They don't have access to futures, right? They have entered their trades during the weekends, but it's not able to execute, obviously, and it's going to execute on market open. So it is. So the funds and market makers, the professional traders, they will push the price to a very high level before open, and so this price will be catching all the buy orders. So all the buy orders are going to be buying. The market buy orders are going to be buying at the maximum price they can possibly sell at. And then once the price has basically consumed, right? I mean, the price has been. They have what's the word? Let's say they have consumed all the buy orders at the open. Once they have consumed all the buy order open, all the buy order open have been filled, has been exhausted at a high level. Then the market's going to turn around because no more buyers and start dumping. And it is quite likely that this might be a scenario. I'm not 100% sure. Again, I'm out of the market again. I sold here, I sold here. So I sold, right? I'm out of the market. I'm waiting for another better entry in this market. And I have patience. I always have patience. You have to have patience in the market. And this kind of scenario happened obviously quite often in the history, right? For example, this. For example, this one in particular. So the market has a range. Basically, it was trading. It was trading slightly, and it has the market basically zoomed through. You can see that here, and gapped up the very next day, and then it just slightly drifting downwards into a lower level, right? Then it actually consolidated for many weeks back in April to May, and there are many other scenarios that this kind of stuff happens, where the market kind of gaps up, then came down again, kind of gaps up. So this thing does happen in history. A much better example that from my recent memory would be something that happened in February 2018. We have a drop similar to this, right? We came down. Let me just find my magnitude. So this magnitude is much higher, obviously. This is an 11% drop, and in June we had a 7% and 9% drop. This is like 11%. It came down, obviously bounced, came down again, start consolidating. You can see that at this level, came down again, right? So imagine you're trading there. So it came down again. You can see that here. I'm just going to draw this on the chart so you can see this clearly. So this zone would be kind of similar to this, where it consolidates, trying to break higher, but failed, came down, make a lower low, right? Make a lower low, and came up. And you can see that it actually broke. It actually broke this particular level. Right? It actually made a new high. Imagine. And this high was actually achieved. It came up, and this is actually, let me see, at 8 o'clock, the market actually gapped out overnight. 6-8. So before the market is already going up, and during the market just went up a little bit during the day until. Oh, actually, no. Yeah, so this is 10 o'clock, 4 p.m. After 4 p.m. that day was an up day, and it actually broke through this level, and making a lot of people kind of bullish. And you can see that it consolidated at this level, just slightly below the previous resistance, and then you can see that it came down again. So sometimes the market really plays this kind of tricks on you that makes you think that how it's broken out is going to take off and it's going to make everyone a lot of money. But it turns out it was a fake out, right? It was a fake out, and a lot of people just got when the market came down again, a lot of people got shaken out because it came down hard and fast, and the proper buying point would be you would come down and maybe buy here again, right? That would be a safer opportunity, and that's exactly what happened here. It came down, allows you to buy this particular level, then it just consolidates for a long time, and then came down again. So like it wasn't an easy trade, honestly. Even if you bought here, the volatility here is just a lot, and it's very, very difficult to trade this market afterwards in 2018. I remember I was trading that. I kind of gave up here. I basically, for the 2018, I was kind of underperforming because the market was really, really choppy, and especially at this stage, right? The market just a lot of energy has been spent. A lot of stock has gone up so much, 3 times, 4 times in the last just 2 months alone, and that's just incredible amount of gains in certain technology stocks. And for the index itself, I think the energy is getting exhausted, in my opinion, and we really have to be patient and not to chase this kind of moves. Okay, do not chase. This is a breakout. This breakout, I don't think it's a good idea to chase. I actually think this might be a great idea to short. It might be a good idea to short, and it could be an opportunity to short. Okay. And I think that's everything. And I'll see what's going on tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy the trading tomorrow, and see you next time.